Topekans had been killed in one day by a flu pandemic that was ravaging the world, according to this article published in October 1918 in the Topeka Daily Capital. Kansas Board of Health Secretary Samuel J. Crumbine, shown here in a photo provided by the Kansas State Historical Society, would play a key role in working here to mitigate the effects of that disease known as the Spanish flu. This is Tim Rencher, the history guy for CJ Online, talking about Crumbine, whose statue stands here at the northeast corner of Southwest 8th and Van Buren in Topeka. Crumbine was born in 1862 in Pennsylvania. He earned a medical degree before moving in the late 1880s to work as a physician at Dodge City in southwest Kansas. Crumbine moved in 1904 to Topeka to become secretary of the Kansas Board of Health. He became one of the nation's public health leaders, mounting campaigns featuring slogans that included "Swat the Fly," which is commemorated by these small sculptures near Crumbine's statue. Crumbine often used humorous words and illustrations to warn against unhealthy practices, but his message was deadly serious, according to the Historical Society. In 1918, Crumbine found himself working to mitigate the effects of a volatile new form of influenza, which first gained attention at Fort Riley, shown here, after apparently first being recorded at Haskell County in southwest Kansas. That disease spread to Europe when Fort Riley soldiers went to fight in World War I. It then mutated and began to kill in large numbers, while becoming known as the Spanish flu. Crumbine and other public health officials fought the disease by taking steps that included imposing quarantines and shutting down public places. Still, History.com says the Spanish flu infected a third of the world's population and killed 20 million to 50 million people, including 675,000 Americans. By the summer of 1919, the epidemic had ended, as those who were infected either died or developed immunity. Crumbine left Kansas in 1923 and moved to New York, where he died at age 91 in 1954. This is Tim Rencher, the history guy for CJ Online.